So when you went to college, what did you go to college for, and what career are you doing right now?
Yeah, so I knew that I wanted to go into public health. When I graduated high school, I would have told you that I was 100% going to be an infectious disease epidemiologist, which would have worked out pretty nicely with graduating in 2021. But once I actually got to school, I was more so drawn to health policy. And just the more that I learned about how policy impacts every aspect of our well-being, whether it's, affording being able to go to the doctor, um, being able to enjoy the parks where we live and get the exercise we need. Every every aspect of health is impacted by policy. So that's why I actually did do um, some health policy research. I was a research assistant in my undergrad during undergrad for the Center for Gun Violence Solutions at Johns Hopkins University. That was a really great experience. I then also got my master's of health science at Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. And since then, I've worked in the primarily as a data analyst. And now my role with the Human Services Research Institute, I create public-facing dashboards for folks to track healthcare cost and utilization, and also this like providing these public-facing tools for both the public and policymakers to make informed decisions about, how do we rein in um, the healthcare affordability crisis that we're facing today.
What are your thoughts about why you want to run? Why you think it's important to be running right now? Like, why would a young person be interested in doing this now?
As someone who just turned 27, yes, it was um, not necessarily something I expected to be doing at this age, but I kind of realized that there's only so much I can do in my day job when it comes to helping folks get the health care that they need. And, I went into public health because I wanted to use my love for statistics to help as many people as possible. And I genuinely think that right now we need that evidence-based mindset to help folks through policy, through public service. And that's why I'm running for the legislature so that I can bring these skills and help the people of North Dakota.